jump in and talk about weather for you. A lot of people have mentioned to me starting Sunday and into yesterday, it's so muggy outside. You are correct. Our recent system has brought a lot of moisture to our atmosphere in western Montana. So I thought I'd show you quickly this morning. If you're headed out there, it's likely to feel muggy across western Montana. It gets better for us into the evening, but even tomorrow morning, check out Kalispell's relative humidity, 81%. So it's going to be feeling pretty muggy, pretty humid out there for us, even through tomorrow. That's because this system that came through yesterday has still a little bit of moisture left for us. It will take us a few days to kind of get rid of that and get back to some dry heat. That is coming very quickly, I promise you. But for today, very overcast for us. A few rain showers possible, especially the lower Clark Fork region. So the I-90 corridor between about Superior to St. Regis, Alberton, Plains, Trout Creek, Thompson Falls, all of you could be seeing a little bit of rain around 10:30. That moisture is then going to keep moving east and a little bit further south. Here's 3:30. The Missions, the mountain range, might get a nice little drink of moisture today. You'll notice though on Future Track, a lot of what's left in this system wants to hit upper elevation. So in the valleys, we may not see a whole lot today. It will be fairly cloudy for us, but starting tomorrow, those clouds should clear. And we're looking at a really dry second half of the work week starting Wednesday. Today, though, again, cloudy, a few scattered showers. Those gusty winds are still going to be bothering us today, but it's upper 50s, low 60s again on the agenda today, temperature-wise. So as you head out the door this morning, it's going to feel muggy. You might want a little jacket. And it's going to be windy again. It looks like this afternoon they could pick up to pretty high wind speeds again. I think this weather model is running a little high. I think we'll be closer to the 20 to 30 mile per hour range, but keep in mind if you were tying down loose objects yesterday, today, you'll want to keep them that way. What's changing though for us into the weekend, or really the second half of the work week, like I said, is some high pressure. It's about to build in with a nice ridge and cover a lot of the southwestern United States, and you'll notice that ridge is pretty wide, so that means warmer and drier air is going to push up into Montana and give us some really gorgeous weather this weekend, almost like a mini heat wave though. 90 degrees possible Saturday in Missoula. We'll see upper 80s though starting Friday, and they'll likely stick around even into Sunday. The rest of the week after today should be dry and sunny, pretty warm. Great time to make some weekend plans. Next week, in the early part of the week, though, we may see a few afternoon thunderstorms as this heat starts to build.